Paramount Pictures Studios, Los Angeles, History and Visitor Guide. Overview of Paramount Pictures Studios. Paramount Pictures Studios is one of the oldest and most iconic film studios in Hollywood, located in Los Angeles, California. Established in 1912, it remains the only major film studio still operating in Hollywood. Paramount is known for producing blockbuster films, legendary TV shows, and award-winning franchises. History and legacy. Founded by Adolf Zukor, Paramount became a powerhouse of the golden age of Hollywood, home to legendary movies like The Godfather, Titanic, Indiana Jones, Mission, Impossible, and Transformers. The studio played a key role in shaping Hollywood's entertainment industry, producing both classic and modern films, studio tour, and visitor experience. Paramount Studios offers a guided behind-the-scenes tour, allowing visitors to explore the historic backlot, sound stages, and filming locations. The studio tour, 2 hours, takes guests through famous sets, production areas, and iconic landmarks on the lot. The VIP tour, 4.5 hours, offers an in-depth look at exclusive areas, archives, and current productions. Famous films and TV shows filmed here. Classic films like Sunset Boulevard, Breakfast at Tiffany's, and The Ten Commandments. Modern franchises including Mission Impossible, Transformers, and Star Trek. Iconic TV shows like NCIS, Los Angeles, Frasier, Cheers, and Star Trek. Location and how to visit. Address: 5555 Melrose Avenue, Los Angeles, California, 90038. Located in Hollywood, near other major attractions like the Hollywood Walk of Fame. Studio tours can be booked through the official Paramount website, with tickets available in advance. Why visit Paramount Pictures Studios? A chance to step inside Hollywood's history and see where legendary films were made. Great for movie lovers, with interactive experiences and behind-the-scenes access. Offers a blend of nostalgia and modern filmmaking, making it a must-visit in Los Angeles. Paramount Pictures Studios continues to be a symbol of Hollywood's cinematic legacy, providing visitors with an exclusive look into the world of filmmaking.